Hey everybody, we got a little update here for the channel, and I just want to announce that after 20 years I finally bought my dream lens. So basically, long story short, the lens in this case, this is a 600mm f4 f-mount. This is the AFS EDVR. It came out in 2007. I remember seeing this at a camera show downtown Pittsburgh about 20 years ago, and I really wanted it. And at the time, there's no way I was going to be able to afford that, especially as a college student. So fast forward 2026, and I finally was able to buy one. And a quick tip, if you're looking for used equipment, you can go on eBay, look for Adorama. It's a storefront for Adorama. They sell all their used stuff on there, and they accept offers on certain equipment, so it's definitely something worth checking out. So let's just get out of this box and see how it looks. So yeah, this is a used lens, almost 20 years old, and to be honest, looking at it, I'm not even sure if the previous person even used this lens. There's really nothing wrong with it. There's no scratches, no dings. It looks like it's brand new. So that's the front element. It's like the size of my head. It's like 6 inches across. And as I said, this model does have VR in it. It's about 4 stops stabilization. Has the programmable buttons on it. Has all the switches here. A rotating collar for the VR on and off. So the main reason why I went with an F mount is I obviously wanted to save money and not spend 15 grand on a new 600 prime, but I also wanted to shoot film wildlife on my F5. So that fits on there pretty nicely. And then we need to invert the hood. And now we have a 600 f4 on film. And I also have an FD-Z2 adapter so that I can use this on my Z9 that we're recording on right now. And this thing feels crazy. Like, it feels like I have like a bazooka, like something you could do some damage with here. And I've only been able to shoot for 1 or 2 days. I've only had this for a couple days so far. But this summer, I'm really hoping to do some little bit of aviation on it maybe. I really want to get in the kayak. I want to do like a group project with one of the channel followers, go out in the kayak, have a tandem shoot with that. And there is a small chance I may try some automotive racing with this down to PVGP this summer. And mostly I just want to do wildlife with it. I would like to drive out and get pictures of the elk at Benazet, Pennsylvania, and Elk County. I have so many different ideas that I want to do with this thing. And after using it for a couple days, this is, to me, it's handheldable for, you know, half hour, 45 minutes, it's okay. And then, you know, I have a Black Rapid that I put this on as well over my shoulder. But eventually I will be getting a monopod for this thing, and over time I will be setting up a video tripod setup for this so that you can, you know, sit in the hunting blind and watch for animals. And this is the kind of lens I don't foresee myself ever separating from. So that's really about it. That's my big excitement from the past few days. And I just want to say a big thank you to everybody out there who's watched the channel for the past 6-7 years. I've bought calendars, merchandise, shirts, photos, everything. You know, I really appreciate it. Without anybody doing that sort of thing, there's no way I would be where I'm at today. So stay stay tuned for the summer. It's going to be quite interesting. So, till then, I'll see you out there.